Hey, I thought I'd do a quick video on how to wind a new paper roll on the tube data sheet roller on this EICO 625 tube tester. Couldn't find one on the internet. Now the original one is about a mile long, so I just printed out all the tube data that I normally test. If I run across something different, I'll just look it up. It'll be a lot easier. This is all the tube data I could get on a regular sheet of paper, but I had to cut it like 6.5 inches wide so it would fit. I'm just using masking tape and trimming it to fit here. Just make sure you line it up and get it as straight as possible on the first roller, and press your tape down good. And after you get the first piece started, go ahead and put the tape on the other side and get it ready. And you wind it up. Make sure you wind it up, keep it tight until you get to the other end, and press your tape down, and that's it. Good to go. I hope this helps somebody if you're trying to replace the paper in one. Be sure to stick around. My next video coming up, we're going to use a Fenerzi signal generator as the VFO for this Heathkit DX40.